In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin OneDrive to quick access. This simple process will help you quickly access your OneDrive files, streamlining your workflow and keeping your favorite folders just a click away. To start, let's open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon that you usually see on your taskbar. If it's not there, don't worry, simply type File Explorer into your Start menu search bar and click the application when it appears in the results. File Explorer is your gateway to navigating through files and folders on your PC, and throughout this tutorial, it will be our main stage. Now that you have File Explorer open, let's direct our attention to the left-hand pane. Here, you'll find a variety of locations, such as this PC network, and most importantly, our focus for today, OneDrive. You might need to scroll to find it, but take your time and look for the blue cloud icon typically associated with OneDrive. When you spot the OneDrive folder, go ahead and click on it to make sure it is selected. This serves not only as a confirmation that you are pointing to the right location, but also helps us in the forthcoming steps. Once you've located the OneDrive folder and clicked on it, the next step is to right-click directly on the OneDrive folder. This action will bring up a context menu. A context menu is essentially a list of options that adapt based on the specific item you click, offering you different commands pertinent to the folder you've selected. It's a great feature of most operating systems that makes performing tasks efficient and accessible. From the context menu, you'll see various options popping up, but the one we are looking for is Pin to Quick Access. Why Quick Access, you may ask? Quick Access is a feature within File Explorer designed to compile your most frequently visited and actively used folders at the top of the navigation pane. When you select Pin to Quick Access from the menu, you're telling your PC that you use this folder often and want it readily available without the hassle of navigating through multiple layers. After choosing Pin to Quick Access, you'll notice that the OneDrive folder now appears under the Pinned section at the top of the Quick Access list in the left-hand pane. This small tweak can make a significant difference, especially if you regularly work with files stored in your OneDrive. Now, every time you open File Explorer, your OneDrive folder will be right there, just a single click away. That wraps up our tutorial on pinning OneDrive to quick access. By organizing your navigation pane, you optimize your workflow and make file management more seamless. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has enhanced your Windows File Explorer experience. Be sure to check out other tutorials for more handy tech tips.